Good day, everyone. Trust you all are doing good. I'm Currency Geek, and welcome to my day 24 video of the 100 Days of Technical Analysis Challenge. Today, US30 caught my interest. That's the Dojo Industry Average Index, and that's what I'll be looking into today. So let's dive right into it. So from the weekly time frame, what do we see? We can see how well price just dumped down, like price just dumped down to this level, and we can see how immediately it moved to the upside, creating a high, then a higher low, now a higher high that's actually broke this previous area of structure, then now currently created a higher low, and there's a huge tendency of moving upward. Now we can see this is just an impulse, a correction, an impulse, and a correction. Now, looking at this, I actually want to know where the correction ended. So I'll be putting my fibs on this. I'll be putting my fibs on this, and we can see how well the correction ended at the 61.8 fib level. That's the fib percentage. And looking back into price, you can see it's a previous area of structure, like it's a previous rejected area also on this um area here, like previous area of structure that got rejected, and we can also see it here. So we now understand that it respects previous price action of price, like what price has done in the past. It respects it, so it has this weak rejection around here. And we can see how well weeks have been left here. And we do understand that when we have candles of this pattern, like weeks above, the next candle would actually form, move to actually close up the week. And knowing we have an impulse and correction, we'll be expecting a further impulse to the upside. I'll be looking to take target at the minus 27.2 fib level, and that's just it on this. So I can take out my fib and go down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, you do know that's the time frame I love to gather most of my confluences, like most of them. So if we look at our current structure, like what price is currently doing here, looking left to get right, we can see this is a previous area of structure, and price did well enough to close above it. Now, knowing that price closed above this and with a massive bullish momentum candle, I expect price to actually move higher with this next candle. And also, if we do pick up a trend line, as much able to cross enough candles, we can see how well this broke out previously, but did close a little bit lower. But remember, it's a new trading day, so we have to wait for this candle closure to see what happens on US30. And also looking at this is just a double bottom, like double bottom right here. So this is a double bottom. Now, we have a double bottom and a CTL. We expect a break of that CTL and price to project higher, like to the upside, possibly the first target here before we head for the minus 27.2. Now, knowing that we have this actually, and also if I pick a trend line from this area, I dragged this back previously into price, can see how well it has been respected here, and this is some sort of a triangle right here, like 1 2 3, some sort of a triangle with an expected tendency of projecting price higher because of the major direction of the market, the major directional bias, which is an uptrend. Now to the 4 hour time frame. Looking at the 4 hour time frame closely, we can see how well this has broke and it's coming for a retest, and it's just like a W pattern right here with a break of this place and retesting it. And also, if we do look closely, we have equal highs here, and we have this area of structure. So there is a huge tendency of an head and shoulder, an inverted head and shoulder forming on this pair, like on this current structure right here. There is a huge tendency of an inverted head and shoulder forming this structure right here. That's back into the structure. Then we project price higher. Now to the 1 hour time frame, which is like the last time frame I check whenever I'm doing an analysis. We had this W pattern formed. Then we had a retest on it, this area, then price projected higher. Now, looking closely at current structure, we can see we have this M pattern here with this weak retest of the neckline. So this actually shows us there is a huge tendency of coming back down into this area to create an head and shoulder. That's an inverted head and shoulder before price projects higher to the upside. Now, um, I'll be looking to go long on US30, like I'll be looking to go long on US30 due to the following conferences I find, but I would need a proper price action before I look to go long on it. So just going long on US30 for now. So I hope you do understand the whole idea of me going long, how I got the bias, and how easy it was to get the bias. So if you do have a bias in alignment to mine or against mine, please do drop it in the comments down below. And if you do have a bias against it also, please do drop it in the comments down below, and please do like and follow. Thank you.